exercise 9 in building applications using Flutter. In this experiment we are going to develop a Flutter application that will update the information in Google Firestore database based on the user input and displays the updated information on the screen. Like, we have to update the data in the Firestore database, and then it should show the updated database. First I will go to our database. This is my project overview, like project to product inventory is my database name, and then we will go to the Firebase database. This is the Firebase database. In this I have collection product details, then I have some 5 products, books, then mobiles, then Apple, like this, etc. We will update this price and quantity details of the product by in our project, like Flutter project. This is my Flutter project for the 8th experiment. In this, like 7th and 8th experiment, we will be making the changes in Gradle files, both the Gradle files. In this Gradle files we will be registering an app from that product inventory database. We will register an app and it will ask you to download the Google services, which I have shown in before videos. Here we will be adding one Android app, like this register app, and then it will ask you to download the configure Google services file. Then we will add that file in the app folder. Here we will be adding this Google services, and we have to add the class path in this build Gradle file. Here we will be adding the class path and then dependencies. In this other Gradle file we will be adding the dependencies implementation for the Firebase, and then we will be changing here the application ID will be the product inventory Firebase, like the database application ID, and then this namespace will be the project, the project which we are working right now. This will be the namespace, and we have to add an plugins ID com.google services, and then we will go to main.dart. Here before that we have to add 2 dependencies in our project. One will be Firebase underscore core, and then Cloud Firestore, which are used to Flutter, like store the data in the Firebase in the cloud storage. And then now we will come back to our main.dart file. First I will import the 2 dependencies which we have downloaded. One will be Firebase core dot and then Cloud Firestore dot. First we will initialize the Firebase using async and wait functions. In this I have used material app update product details. Title of the this one is product update product details, and then home page will be products app, which is a stateful widget which I have created down. In this we will be adding 3 controllers. One will be search controller, for which we will be storing a search the product name which is given in the search text field. From that search text field it will get the details of that product which we have entered, and then show the quantity and price which is already existed in the database. In this we can we can change, like update the database by changing quantity and price in our product. First I have written a search product function void search product is the syntax. Then we are using async. Then here string name, which will store the product name. Then it will check if name is not empty, it will get the collection, like to check from collection product details it will check name by using where method. We will check name, the name which is given is equal to the name present in the products or not. After that it will get the details of the product. If the product is existing in that Firebase database, it will set the state to product name as the existing name, and the quantity, product quantity and product price all will be given. If the product is not found, it will set the state as product name is empty, and then quantity, it will clear the quantity and price controller, and then it will show product not found. And then we will use a function update product. If the product details here, we will be using one doc.id, like doc id, to store the updates. After getting the search product, it will show a text field, quantity and price, which are existing in database. Here it will ask you to update the existing file like this. Here update method, we will be using quantity double dot parse contain dot text. We will update the quantity and price. After doing so, we will set the state and then use a message product details updated successfully. If the product if the function has completed correctly, it will show product details updated successfully. In our main return function, we will be using a scaffold, and in that scaffold we will use app bar to show update product details, or and then adding some style to it, background color, and then we can add foreground color, etc., all these things. And then in our body, we will be asking one text field for the search controller. In this text field, we will be adding one product name, like we will be giving a product name which we want to search in the database. And then after searching, it will retrieve here. After clicking this elevated button, it will give you one it will, on pressing that elevated button, it will call this search product, and it will call this function, and it will show you the product name, the quantity which is available in the database, and price which is available in the database. After this, we can be able to if the product is not empty, we will be able to show like product name and then some styles, and then we will be showing a text field to enter quantity and then enter new price. After giving these two, the same thing, like controllers will be used to store the given data. After clicking both, after updating price and quantity, it will be stored in the database by calling this function update product function. In this update product function, we have used update function to update our database in this collection like this. And then finally it will display a message call. This message will be given here, set state message product details updated successfully. Now we will try this by running Flutter run. Here we have to give the device pixel 6. This is my emulator which I have connected. And then Flutter run, it will show the output in this emulator. We will wait until it runs. Yes, it is built successfully. Yes. This will be our output. First, like I have said, it will ask you the product name. I am giving product name as books. Then search. After giving this, this is the product details which are available in our backend database. Here we can change from 20 to 10, and then new price will be 60 to some 80. After updating it, we will get a message product details updated successfully. We will go to our backend Firestore database and check whether the books details has updated or not. Here this is our product details collection, and this here we have updated it, price is 280 and quantity to 10. Yes, it has updated successfully, so our project is running correctly. This is our project finally. This is our main dot. Here we will be using one search function, and then update function, update to make the changes, and the search function to search whether the product is available in our database or not. don't forget to change these things. Like in this build.gradle we have to add a plugin, and then dependencies, we should add dependencies in this. And in other build.gradle we have to add a build script dependencies class path, which will be given after downloading this google services.json while registering the app. Thank you.